Brad Williams, Excel Prime.
How to change the case of text. Just a review. We want to change Michael to uppercase. We want to change the last name to lowercase. And then we want to take the upper and lower and put it in proper case. Modify the upper. We just use upper B4. If we want lower, we just go lower C4. If we want to put this in proper, upper just converts the text to upper text, lower converts it to lower case, proper converts it to cap first word, cap second word. To convert this, we can use proper. We're going to use a concatenate. All we do is hit F4, which is the uppercase. We put a space, which is the and, the two quotes, close it with an and then we add G4, which is the lowercase. Proper will convert that over into proper function. If you want, you can just copy that down, Control D, and there you go, upper, lower, and proper.
Brad Williams, Excel Prime. See you soon.